Oluvannyuma lw'okusoma embalirira y'eggwanga, omukulembeze w'eggwanga kimukakatako okulambika butya eggwanga bwe ligenda okutambuzibwa mu mbalirira ebeesomeddwa. Kati mu kwogera kwe, Museveni asoose kuwanjagira Bannayuganda bafube ku kulwanyisa ekirwadde kya Ebola ne yeewuunya n'ababaka ba paalamenti abatateekesa biragiro by'abasawo mu nkola.
The other day I was here, I was seeing you shaking hands, hugging. These are members of parliament now, setting a bad example for all these Africans to get sick and then go in hospitals and so on, or die even. So please, I want to use this occasion to appeal to all the Ugandans to really finish this little problem of Ebola. Ebola is not a serious problem.
Ku nsonga y'embeera y'ebyenfuna nga bw'eyimiridde, Museveni ategeezezza nti wadde nga mu nsi yonna waliyo ebizibu eby'enjawulo, Uganda weeyimiridde mu byenfuna yeeyagaza.
We have done well, but we can do much better. Uganda is a very rich country. In 2013, you can imagine, only 32% of the homesteads had joined the money economy. That's how we involved the UPDF, General Saleh. Please, come and beg these people to join the money economy. Take seedlings to them, free seedlings. Go and beg them. Kulala, they are asleep. Then Saleh did his best. Now, recently, we have added PDM. But with all this, it's now 67% of the homesteads who are in the money economy with some chibaro. 33% are still refusing to join the money economy.
Wano agasseeko ng'ekiruubirwa kyabwe kwe kulaba nga bakyusa embeera y'abannansi era nga bwe yawera mu kisanja kino ne lunaweze nga bw'atagenda kukkiriza muntu yenna akongola.
So although we have done very well, this very good performance the minister is talking about is by the 67% now. And all of them, not necessarily with the chibaro. Some of them do without the chibaro. But there are 33% who are wako pembeni, they are on the side. Suppose they were also part of this, would be much further.
Ono ategeezezza ng'ekiruubirirwa kye kwe kulaba ng'azimba eggwanga eryeyimirizaawo mu byenfuna nga kino akyesigamiza ku mafuta g'eggwanga.
And point number 5 was on this very point. Please build an economy which is independent, integrated, self-sustaining. You need to get the strategic picture clearly. Strategic is when you plan to solve a problem from A to Z, the whole problem. Tactical is how you move from A to B. Now, the strategic aim of the NRM is to transform Ugandans. And I want to put it to you that it has taken a bit too long, although we have done well, but we could have done better.
Ku nsimbi za gavumenti eziyamba okukulaakulanya abawejjere n'eddagala eribbibwa mu malwaliro, kino akitadde ku bakulembeze abeesuulirayo ogwa Naggamba nga bino bigenda mu maaso.
The local government must be very, very strict. The Gombora chiefs, what are they doing? The GISO, there is somebody called the GISO. Have you heard of somebody called the GISO? He's also there. Drugs are being stolen, GISO is there. This is what I can no longer tolerate.
Ku mulundi guno n'ab'oludda oluvuganya abaatulidde nga nabo bw'atagenda kubakkiriza okutuula ng'enteekateeka za gavumenti zigootaanyizibwa.
Even the opposition ones, the ones of the NRM, I will struggle with them. But even the opposition ones, as long as you are getting allowance from Parliament and you don't go to check what is happening, I would ask you, the Attorney General, to see how I can deal with you also. Because if you don't want to monitor, don't take the allowances. Say so, go to the clerk, but then why should you get a salary in the first place? So it seems I've got a legal basis where to demand performance from both the NRM and also the opposition.
Pulezidenti Museveni amaliriza akalaatira abakulembeze okuwagira enteekateeka z'okusengula abatembeeyi ko n'abo abeesenza mu ntobazi.
Market, if you want to sell, you sell in a shop or a market or a supermarket. But you now say, no, I want to sell on the roadside. Really, this is not for that. This is for walking. Then you get people supporting that they are politicians. Really sickening. The swamp is for water.
Andrew Kagwa, Agafeyo, Spark TV.